Hi, my name is Maria Ortega and you are on the Ladymaria51 channel. Today I will share a deliciously easy recipe with ingredients that you have at home with you. We are going to prepare some delicious polvorones. This recipe is in Spanish on my YouTube channel. You can find the link in the information box. La receta que le estaré enseñando hoy está en mi canal de YouTube en español. Les dejaré el enlace en la cajita de información. Now we are going to prepare polvorones, that yummy dessert that many likes, and that you can also use to generate additional income. To prepare the polvorones, the ingredients you are going to use are 1 stick of butter, which is equal to 4 ounces, which is equal to 113 grams. 1/2 a cup of vegetable shortening, which is equal to 4 ounces, which is equal to 113 grams. 1/2 a cup of granulated sugar, which is equal to 4 ounces, which is equal to 113 grams. 1 teaspoon of white vanilla, which is equal to 5 milliliters. In this case, I'm using vanilla because I love vanilla. Vanilla polvorones taste good, but you can also use almonds if you love almonds. Either you can use it. 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour is the one that do not have baking added or salt, and is 18 ounces, which is equal to 504 grams. And for decoration, you will use colored sugar, just like this one. Once the formed polvorones are ready, you will use them and add colored sugar. These are the ingredients that you're going to use to prepare the delicious polvorone. Now we go to the procedure. We add the butter, add the vegetable shortening, and add the sugar. And we're going to mix until it's creamy. Now we're going to add the flour, add the vanilla, and we're going to mix until the ingredients are well mixed. You will know that the ingredients are mixed well when the mixture fills off the container. The mixture is ready because it no longer sticks to the wall of the container. Here is the dough of the polvorones. As I said before, we already know that the dough is ready when it peels off the container walls. Now we're going to form little balls that are polvorones. We are going to use a cookie tray as well as this one. And to the cookie tray, we are going to place a paper that is baking paper. Very important, it is not just any type of paper. You will use a paper that is called baking paper. This paper prevents that the dessert that you're going to bake from sticking to the tray. It is also beneficial since everything that is going to be baked uses this paper. Now we're going to form the polvorones that are the balls. You will decide the size of the balls if you want them bigger or smaller. We form the balls and we will place them at a distance from the tray edge. This polvorone is going to grow because it's going to be flattened when it's baked. We are going to form the other ball and we will try to make the others the same size. We form the other ball and we are going to place it at a distance. As I said before, when they are baked, they expand. So we don't want another polvorone to stick. We sink each polvorone a little bit here in the center. And in this center we will place the colored sugar. This is how we're going to do with all the polvorones until the entire dough is completed. We already made the polvorones. It comes out approximately 30 to 32 polvorones, which depends on the size you make the polvorón. Now we will place the tray in the oven, preheated to 350 degrees and bake for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, or until golden brown, because not all oven heat in the same way. And we set the preheated oven because you always have to preheat the oven before placing the polvorones. The polvorones are here. We already removed it from the oven. They bake for about 20 minutes. You must be aware when you are baking the polvorón so that they do not burn. Now you have to let them at room temperature to pack them so you can sell or give them as a gift. The polvorones are ready, and we will fill them here in this bag. These bags are sold in stores where they sell pastry products. They sell them like this with the sign, or they also sell them as transparent. This is one of the ways of packaging, because there are several ways of packaging. We put them here in this bag, and you can use them to give or sell. Also, we have the polvorones here on a plate. Look how beautiful the polvorones are. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to this channel, and activate the bell. See you in the next video.